What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we are in Capitol Reef National Park here in Utah. We drove from Denver to Capitol Reef here in about 6.5 hours, and we're actually on the way down to Zion National Park for the weekend to hike there and then also do Bryce Canyon the next day. But we thought this would be just a really cool stop along the way. Neither one of us has ever been here, so we looked up a couple hikes and videos the last couple weeks, and we found this hike that we really wanted to do called Cassidy Arch Trail. We started at Cassidy Arch Trailhead, and this hike is about 3.1 miles round trip, and you gain about 666 feet of vert on this hike. There's a really cool arch called Cassidy Arch on this trail, so we're both really excited to see that along this hike. But yeah, let's stop talking and let's get hiking. Well, about 1.8 miles in from our hike, and we just made it to Cassidy Arch, and it's a pretty cool view. All right, guys, we just finished the hike. It was really fun, and one that I wish we could have our dog at, but again, you can't have any dogs in national parks. But that was a really fun one to do, and I think if you guys were especially gonna be just like driving through Utah to get to somewhere, or like going back to Colorado, it's a really easy jaunt off the main highway to get here, and I don't think you'd be disappointed at this hike. I mean, it was a little over 3.5 miles total in time, but there wasn't too much change in elevation or any like struggling parts along the way. The arch itself is awesome to look at. We kind of had a little trouble though because we got here right when the shadows were coming in and the sun was going down, so we didn't get as much of a good view as we thought. But it was still fun, and we're excited to go to Zion National Park tomorrow, so onward with the road trip. I just want to thank you guys again for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and watch any more videos coming forward. But thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you have a great rest of your day.